your TikTok for free. This is original boosting, follow to follow back. So I'll teach you how to boost your TikTok. So you come here to Google Play Store. You click on Google Play Store. So you come here to search button and type TT Boost. You can see this TT Boost. You come to type TT Boost. You can see it's already installed in my phone. So it's already installed in my phone. This is TT Boost. You can see it's already installed in my phone. So you open TT Boost. So you open TT Boost. You can see. You have to log in your surname. You can see your surname on your TikTok account. Your surname on your TikTok account. So let me add account now. So I have to put your surname here. Your surname of your TikTok. You put your surname to continue. But I already have. So after registering, the app is going to give you. You can see 100 coins. It's giving you 100 coins. If you refer one for one friend, the app is going to give you 200 coins. You can see bonus 100 coins. 10 followers, 100 coins per 10 followers. 10 followers is 100 coins. So how to get more than 10,000 friends is by clicking on this more. You click on this more here. Click on more. Then you see refer and get 200. Refer and get 200. So you send this link to as many, you share this link to as many you can share to. When you share, if one person will successfully register through this app is going to give you 200 coins per friend. This app is going to give you 200 friends per friend. So the 200 coins per friend, that is 20 followers. That is 200 coins per friend is 20 followers, but the 100 coins they give you as a new page, that is 30 followers, 30 genuine followers. See, that is 30 genuine followers. You go back, go to the menu. Let's see. This is how to buy followers. So you come here. You can see this is paid version. You can want to pay with dollar. This is the coin version. You can see 500 coins is 50. You can see 100 followers is 1,000 coin. 1,000 followers is 10,000 coin. Depend on your invite. That is how your coin rate. Depend on your invite. That is how your coin rate. This is the WeChatBot app. You can see this is the WeChatBot. This is us and fake chatbot. You follow to follow back. You can see you follow this person that are giving you 5 coin. You follow person that are giving you 5 coin. You can see you follow person that are giving you 5 coin. If you like a video that are giving you 2 coin, thank you for paying for this version.